Welcome back! It's Creative Redundancy back again, the one known as CR.
Creating starts here.
So here's a reusable bag that I found in the snowbank back in the winter time. I took it and I'm like, oh wait, it's got potential still. So I'm gonna reuse it, recover the resource, and convert it back into a useful state. Here's just an overview of what it looked like beforehand. It's gonna have 3 compartments. Down the center, I sewed the line to make the 2 compartments on the front. Then I sewed around it to finish off the main compartment of this bag that I'm reusing. Here's a close-up of the stitching. This was all hand sewn, no machine, no sewing machine, and I just basically used back stitches to create this and reuse this and make something useful again from this. And besides, this won't end up in a landfill or at the dump. So here's a button that I found a couple days later. I used the loop that was already with this and kind of sewed the button onto it so it's at the top in the middle for the main compartment of this bag that I'm reusing here. I reused the trim that was with this reusable bag and sewed it all the way around and around using back stitches, trying to press it as close as I could to the edge. And there's the button right there in the center, and using this right here as the handles because it was actually with the bag already. And there is what it looks like. Here's an example of what I can put in here. There's a power bank, there's the cable, and there's a phone in there. And right there in the main compartment is a tablet. As you can see, I can carry it and hold that stuff, for example, and use this like a container. So I hope you enjoyed this reusing video from me. Go out there and create something awesome, and
as our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.